Today I will be demonstrating the real-world application of an IoT device, which stands for the Internet of Things. It is an embedded system that would function as a noise detector. My code is adjusted so that if the sound reaches over 25 decibels, a warning signal would appear. That states, "Warning, the sound is too loud." As you can see, just that appeared there. My embedded system is connected to this outlet. As you can see here, I have my microphone, which is the sound sensor, connected to an ESP32. Now, if I speak directly into the microphone, you see that the sound stated too loud because my voice was over 25 decibels. Another key point to note is that it is designed to give a live feed of the sound every second. So here we have the sound levels and the time at which these sound levels are heard.